Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel an offer in Vinted. So what you'll need to do is basically click on your profile picture, then go to the My Orders, and right here you'll see your sold orders and bought. So for the bought, you can't cancel it, and if you just don't want to accept that offer, just don't pay the money and you'll be good to go, because there's no way how you can cancel it. And for the sold ones, right here you'll see in all page or in progress, I'm not sure about, and here, right here you'll see your listing, and right here you'll see an offer, and here you'll be able to cancel it. So that's pretty much it, guys. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.